Today we're going to be replacing the four-wheel drive selector switch on a 2000. This is a 2012 Chevrolet Tahoe that we're replacing it on. There ain't really much to it. It's just a replacement switch here. Basically, all you want to do is take something. You got to remove the whole trim here. Stick a screwdriver or a trim tool underneath it. Pops right out of there. Unplug it. Next, you gotta release these four keepers there, or retainer, or whatever holds it in that trim. You use a pocket screwdriver, kind of hold a little pressure on the switch while you pry it back, where you pull it on out of there. Now after you got all the retainers released, it just comes on out of there, and you just pop your new one and right back in place. Ain't much to it. Hope this video is helpful for you and save you some time and money. If you like the video, please subscribe and give me a big old like, and I'll appreciate it. I hope you have a great day.